So today we'll be discussing about how to take quantities in Navisworks. So that's the main agenda of this. So this is a sample structural model. I will explain everything in a bit short, like maybe this will take a couple of minutes only. There is nothing much to do and now I have to take the quantities. So I'm just resetting my workspace for now. I mean, I'm loading the workspace to extend kind of thing. Then, as you all know, you are familiar with the work search. I mean, sorry, the search sets, right? I mean, the selection sets. Okay. So, if you're comfortable with that, you can actually create selection sets. For example, I'm considering this files. I'm selecting the same, I mean, the same type of everything, same type or same name, and I'm saving it. Save selection files, and I'm hiding it. Then moving on to the file cap, select same type and same name. Okay, and this one also, I think this is a bit fitting. And back again. Okay, so same name, and I'm saving it also as foundation. Okay, now if you want to, let me hide it first. Now, if you want to take the quantity, you have something called as quantification, which is actually seen in the left corner. Just click on that. You will be able to see a project setup menu. Click on that project setup. So, mine me later. Then they will ask for like a catalog. These are the default catalog that you will be familiar with the project management principles. There is CSI 16, CSI 48, or uniformat. Any format could be done, or else if you have a special catalog, you can take that also. So I'm currently browsing through CSI 16. You can go through anything. Go to next option. Our unit is actually metric, right? So select metric option. Go to next again. Now everything will be in meters. Then click on the finish option. Go to quantification workbook. You will be having a WBS. According to that CSI 16 or whichever catalog you selected, you will be getting the WBS. Now I want to take the quantities of the concrete elements. So what I will do is actually, if I need to take the quantity of the column, just click on that column, right click, before that, sorry, click on the quantification. I need to take the quantities of concrete, right? So click on that concrete. Now select the element, I mean the right click on the element, quantification, take off the concrete. So you will get 600 by 600 column has been inverted, and these are the details related to it. You will be getting everything over here. The volume is 2.16. Now if you want to customize the columns over here, just right click on that any header. You can choose the columns that you need to see. Same way you can also choose it from here. Choose the columns that you need. Now the use of selection set is like, if you want to take the quantities of the pile and pile foundation, go to quantification again, select on this concrete, go to set, click on these two, right, uh, first I will hide it, then go to quantifications again, click on concrete, and coming to the set, then you have selected everything, right click on it, quantification, take off the concrete. So everything has been added, the steel piles and everything has been added here. Then you can see the total number of it, okay, as well as you will be able to get the quantities also. Now if you want to take this to an Excel sheet, here you have an option called as export to XML or export quantities to Excel. So a question comes like, take the quantities of the whole structural element. You can actually uh, use a CSA 16 or CSA 48 or uniformat or any format that you require. Then you can create selection sets. That's the best thing to do. Create selection set, and based on that, take the quantity. Go to the I'm gonna save this in an Excel format right now. Okay. So an Excel sheet will be created, and you can open the file after exporting it. Let me see. So you will be getting a complete list of everything. See, every pile cat has been selected. Okay. Now I will explain one more thing. If you want to delete this quantification work, you don't need it. You can actually select everything, but you won't be able to delete it from the quantification work. You have to go to item catalog, then you will have to delete it from there. Okay, delete. Now, if you want to go to quantification, if you want to take a quantity again, you won't be able to select it, right? You won't be able to select it, you won't be having a WBS. So for that, you will have to import the catalog again. So for that, you will have to go over here. You have import catalog option. Then you can select CSS 16, CSS 48, and uniform. So these formats are different because the WBS based on it is also different. The formatting is also different. Everything is different. So if you can choose anything as per your wish. Okay. So this is in short about quantification. Thank you.